got a pound of shrimp on sale today, so I thought I'd make some shrimp etouffee. And I'm using Paint the Kitchen Red recipe, and we're using the Instant Pot. So let's get started. So here's what we need for this recipe. We need a pound of shrimp, deveined and shelled, and it's uncooked shrimp. Here we have a cup of diced celery, a cup of diced onions, a cup of diced green peppers, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. And for our spices here, we have a 1/4 teaspoon white pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon thyme. And over here we have Cajun seasoning, which I am using Slap Yo Mama, and it's a tablespoon. Right here, 1/4 cup of flour. And then we need our broth, which optimally would be shrimp stock, but I don't have that. So I combined this fish stock that's canned and then with another 1/2 cup of chicken broth. So I hope that will work. You also need a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of Worcestershire, and it's optional, but you can add a tablespoon of sherry. Now the directions say to take 1 teaspoon of our Cajun seasoning, and we just want to mix that all over our shrimp. So just going to use your hands, get a little gritty here, just mix it up well. Okay, on to the next step. Now we're going to set it to saute, and let's wait until it heats up. So now we need to have 4 tablespoons of butter. Feel the heat there. Let's melt this. Want to melt all that butter. Now as the butter's melting, I'm going to add my 1/4 cup flour. Now we're making a roux. We want to keep on stirring this. Just really don't leave it alone because it can all of a sudden burn. You don't want that. That would be a terrible taste. So we're going to keep on doing this until it gets to a light blonde color. They say take about 5 minutes. Be back when it's done. Okay, I think that's that light blonde caramel color. Looking good. Now we want to add our veggies. Stir them in. And we're going to cook these veggies for about 5 minutes until they get soft. And I'll be back when they're ready. Make sure you stir frequently. Okay, so now we want to use just a little of this stock. And we want to deglaze the bottom. And you see that brown stuff there? I'm going to get that off the bottom. Just makes it a little bit easier if you have some stock. So I'll be back when I'm done deglazing. Okay, we've got that done. All the deglazing. Now we're just going to put in the rest of our Creole seasoning and our other spices. Just mix those up a minute. Oops, we got some more deglazing to do right there. There we go. Whew, I can smell that pepper. Now we're going to add our stock. And mix that up. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And a teaspoon of lemon juice. mix those in. Okay, got our broth now. Locking it good. Make sure you have your vent all the way to the back. So now we want to take it off saute, and we're going to put it on manual pressure. And we only want it for 10 minutes. Here it goes. Be back when it's done. Done with this portion. Now we're going to just let it do a natural release for 10 minutes, and then we're going to release the rest. Been 10 minutes. Let's see if it's fully vented. Oh, gotta release the rest yet. Okay, we heard that pop. So we're gonna take off the lid, and the next part we're gonna do really quick. We're gonna dump in the shrimp and a tablespoon of sherry. Here's sherry, and here's the shrimp. And I'm just not going to stir it or anything. I'm just going to hurry up and put that lid back on. Now we're going to wait an additional 10 minutes, and that steam and that heat is going to cook the shrimp. Okay, it's now time for our moment of truth. Let's open the lid. Stir this up a minute. A little soupy, I think. Okay, so I'm going to dish some up. See, the consistency isn't, I like it usually a little thicker. So here it is. It is hot. On top of rice here, we'll mix up the rice and the shrimp and the sauce. And then let's put in a little green onion on top. Now we'll do our taste test. Here it goes. If you like it hot, you can add some hot sauce. Let's have a little of the sauce. Not bad. A little green peppery, I think. Let's try the shrimp. Still steam coming off it. Now with the shrimp, it really tastes good. And I'm sure it would have tasted even better if I would have had shrimp stock. But, you know, living in Michigan, it's not as easy to get. But I encourage you to make Paint the Kitchen Red recipe of shrimp etouffee. Let the good times roll. This is Potpourri saying, please subscribe, share the knowledge, and thumbs up if you like this video.